Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve one side of a Rubik's Cube. So first, of course, you will need to get your Rubik's Cube. And as you can see, I've almost solved two sides. Well, I only know how to solve one side. So these pieces are called the corner pieces. These pieces are called edge pieces. These pieces are called center pieces. So today I'm going to be showing you how to solve one side of a Rubik's Cube. So let's get right into it. So first, you will need to find which side you want to solve. So I'm going to do yellow. So you have to find the yellow center piece that I found. And luckily, if you have some pieces there for you, that will be great to help you solve it. So I'm just gonna move the Rubik's Cube around. And, oh wait, I found this piece. There's two pieces. And this side only has one piece. So I can move this here and then I'll get more. And then I've got this. So then if you want, you could if you have this piece over here, you could swipe this the right hand up and then take these two layers up and then swipe until you find one. And then you could swipe it back down. And then you could do that, then that. Then you'll have this. So then after that, you could maybe you can move this over here. And then you could search for a yellow piece. And if you don't get one, that's okay. Instead, if you had one piece over here, but you can't put it here, that would ruin it. You could actually keep it, move this layer up here, and then swipe this here, and then do that. And then, there you go. You'll get this. So then you can maybe do this, and then you'll get this, and then you'll get, oh wait, what? Then you can maybe try to do this, and that, and then could move that there, and then there you go. You got it solved. For a fun video, I'm also going to show you my fastest timing how to solve my Rubik's Cube. So I'm going to do green. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. This is called my freestyle mode. Just saying. Done. And I'm also going to do another one. So I'm going to do white. So 3, 2, 1, go. And there you go. Another one? Okay. So I'm going to do red this time. And then this is the last one. Go. And there you go. That's it. So, if you learned how to solve it, great job. And goodbye, everybody.